Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I want to tell you about inspiring person in my life. His name is Zayn Malik. Zayn Malik is a British singer and songwriter who has become an inspiration for many people. As a former member of the boy band One Direction, Zayn has proven his talent and abilities in the music industry. After leaving One Direction, Zayn released his solo career Mind of Mine, which was a success. He is also known for his unique voice and songwriting abilities. In my opinion, Zayn is an inspiration for many people, especially for those who want to pursue their dreams. Zayn is also known for being honest in expressing himself and not afraid to share his thoughts when it comes to music. So for me, thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.